Honestly, I've been in kind of a slump today. Like, it's hard for me to be very productive or work too hard. I just had like the cutest little interaction with this baby in the elevator who asked me if the pool was cold. The way he said it was just so adorable. But yeah, that was the highlight of my day, which kind of makes me think that I need more human interaction in my life. So I might get more of that. We are getting dinner with my friend. As much as I love to stay home, I think sometimes it's nice to get out of the house a little bit. Human relationships are very important, so.
Thank you. Where the fuck did you pull out from?
Brought a tote bag. I'm in the work lounge of my apartment. I'm never here, but it's empty, so I thought I would whip out this camera. It's Saturday, it's rainy. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I kind of want to go to a cafe. I got this email this morning telling me to apply to this like sponsored campaign. It sounded kind of cool, so I think I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna apply, and I think over the last few years, my mindset towards just like applying for things has definitely gotten a lot more like, oh, I don't care if I don't get it or not, I'm just gonna do it. For some reason in the back of my mind, like every time an opportunity comes my way, and like my first initial thought is like, oh no, I'm scared, like what if I don't get it? This quote from the Cinderella story movie, the Hilary Duff edition, like early 2000s, like the OG one, just always like comes to mind. And she goes, don't let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. I don't know why that quote has stayed with me for the last few years, but every time I'm about to apply to something and I'm like, never mind, like it would suck if I didn't get it, that just kind of like pops into my head, and then I'm like, fuck it, let's do it. So I'm gonna do it.